Hey guys, today we are working on the Volkswagen Tiguan. The interior ceiling has dropped, and in order to fix this we're going to drop down this whole headliner board and then replace with brand new material. So for us to do that, we're going to have to take off these sun visors, grab handles, interior sunglasses console here, and the whole headliner board can then be dropped down, taken outside the car, and then we take off the old material and replace with brand new material. The reason you can't reuse the old material here is because it was basically placed under a lot of tension, I believe, from factory. So it's actually out of, it's kind of stretching away from where it's got to go. So trying to re-glue and get that back to the original spot where it's got to go is kind of not really going to work. Also adding glue to this material now, because there's no foam behind the fabric itself, spraying glue onto that, you end up getting like a messy glue stain pop up. That's why you always recover in brand new material. But keep in mind, you can do quick repairs, things like drawing pins or a staple gun. I like to use an office stapler because you can get into nice tight areas like up the front here and hit that with a bunch of staples to hold it up. And the staples don't damage the headliner board, none that I've come across anyway. So, and when the upholsterer wants to work on these cars, they can just pull out the staples. It's quite an easy method, rather than trying to sand back someone's glue that they've added or cement paste. And that doing that, you can actually damage the headliner board. So it's best to stay away from adding any glue to actually hold these fabric roof linings up once they fall. So yeah, we're going to get stuck into that now. We'll put the GoPro on. You guys can follow along. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Maybe click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a comment below, maybe on your biggest takeaway or what you might want to add and see. And that's it, guys. We'll get stuck into it. All right, here we go.